Welcome to GAEC Abroad. Studying at the University of the West of Scotland is a game changer for anyone looking to build a successful future. With campuses in vibrant cities like Paisley, Glasgow, London, Ayr, and Dumfries, UWS offers a modern, career-focused education that's both affordable and accessible. Imagine being part of a university where over 95% of graduates find employment shortly after finishing their studies. That's the power of UWS. The university boasts strong industry partnerships, providing opportunities for paid internships that give you real-world experience. Plus, you'll be immersed in a safe, multicultural environment that celebrates diversity. Whether you're interested in MBA, data science, public health, or engineering, UWS has top courses designed to equip you for the global job market. And let's not forget Scotland itself, home to breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and a vibrant student culture, all at a lower cost of living compared to other UK cities. UWS is your launchpad to a successful career, and with GAEC Abroad guiding you every step of the way, you can focus on what truly matters, your education and future. For more information, please visit our office at Punjaguta, Hyderabad. Contact 970-0164-927.